Hey, good morning, guys. Just woke up and I'm going to show you guys how I make my $1,000,000 drink every morning, okay? Now, this is a very special, put in my teeth. This is a very special drink because it makes you feel like $1,000,000. Now, it's a very secretive drink, and I pretty much got the information from a bunch of doctors at the facilities where I work at, and also I looked on YouTube. But some doctors will say do one thing, it's healthy. The other doctor will say do this, add this, add this, add this. And so I pretty much just mixed all their ideas together, and I created my own $1,000,000 drink that I drink every morning. Where the hell's my hat? Oh my god. My hair. Let me go get my hat. Where's my hat at? Where the heck is my hat? Oh, it's right here. Alright. Got my hat. You guys aren't supposed to see all that, man. You guys aren't supposed to see all that. Alright, guys. So here we go. $1,000,000 drink. So the first thing you're gonna need, you don't need this, but I bought it. It's an electric tea kettle. And you turn it on like that, and you can heat it up. So in here, I have water that I put in a couple days ago. And you guys are probably wondering, what the heck is this stuff inside? And so I'm gonna show you. It's my special drink, my $1,000,000 drink. So guys, I already heated this up and it's ready to go. So what's inside is, bam, cut up ginger, and bam, organic peeled garlic. And so guys, what I do is I take these out and I chop them up. I mince them. I also mince this. And I put it in here and I let it sit for 1 day. Now, you don't have to let it sit for 1 day. As a matter of fact, you don't even have to have an electric tea kettle. I got this because it's really convenient. I can heat it up anytime I want. Why isn't it working? Okay, there we go. It's at 140 temperature. But all you need really is a microwave. You need your cup, put some water in the cup, put some garlic, and some ginger in here, and take it out after. So let me turn this off. So guys, these are our first ingredients that you're gonna need for the $1,000,000 drink. So guys, now we're gonna pour this. We're gonna pour this in our cup like so. And some little pieces will come out. That's okay. Just, those are like little, you can chew on those. They're good. It's not too bad. Garlic's a little spicy. Ginger's a little spicy too. But guys, these are the healing benefits of both of these. So now let's go to the fridge and get our next ingredient. Hold on. Our next ingredient is our lemon. And our lemon, guys, if you just drink this garlic and ginger by itself, it's pretty disgusting. So guys, we're gonna mix in our lemon. And one of the doctors said, just do lemon and warm water. And I said, ooh, that's a good combination. But I got tired of it. And the lemon alone, it kind of hurts your teeth sometimes. So you got to get used to it. It took me about a week. I do it every day. I do this every day. So guys, looks like we got our lemon in, okay? Now for our next ingredients. Bam! Ground turmeric. Now this is a superfood that I was told was good for your body and your whole immune system. It fights diseases like cancer, It gets rid of inflammation in your body, which causes like heart attacks and stuff like that. All right, guys, next ingredient, let me find it. Bam! Our ground cinnamon. Now what we're gonna do is sprinkle a little on there, just like that. Throw that much. Bam. Now, guys, you won't believe it, but what is that? Cayenne pepper. And I want you guys to be careful with this, because this will have you in the bathroom. It's going to clean out your gut. It's going to clean out your arteries. That plaque over the years is going to be cleaned. Ever since you were 18 years old, you've been eating out, and you got a bunch of plaque, and your cholesterol and your LDLs are all high, and this is pretty much going to get rid of it. All right, guys, it's going to clean you out, clean your arteries, and now we got our raw honey for the flavor. Do a little raw honey like that. There we go. Not too much, not too much. And now, guys, right here, we're just going to stir it. Stir this up nice and good. Nice and good, just like that. Bam. I think we're ready. I think we're ready. Oh, but wait. One more thing. One more thing. Where's it at? Uh-oh. Get our tea bag. Now, guys, there's another one called Sweet Tangerine, which tastes a lot better than this. I just used my last tea bag of this, but this one's caffeine free. This is honey chai turmeric vitality from Yogi. This stuff's pretty good. They also have like caffeine ones and stuff like that. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna rip this real quick. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna put our tea bag in there. Just like this, and just let it sit. Let it sit for like a minute or two so it absorbs. And guys, all these ingredients are going to be going into your body and working on that body that you've been abusing for the last 20 years. Your arteries, your blood flow, all that, your heart, your liver, your kidneys are all going to thank you. We're going to come over here and sit down, guys, and have our 6 a.m. $1 million tea. I'm going to turn myself around right here. Hold on. So, guys, we're going to sit down and have our tea. Oh, I got my teeth on. I don't want my teeth on because, it's going to stain them. So, here we go, guys. It's so good. And, guys, you can just feel it working already. Trust me, you're going to be in the bathroom the first time you do this. But it's a good thing. It's a good thing. It's going to clean you out. And guys, I drink this every morning. I actually made this recipe. This is my recipe. But I got advice from a bunch of doctors. And I just mixed everything together. So, guys, that's my $1 million drink. Go ahead and try it if you want. I do it every morning. Try it out. I stopped drinking coffee because coffee, I was drinking like 3 cups a day, and I stopped getting the effects. And I was just, I don't know, I just felt like it was unhealthy for me to just keep drinking coffee all day. And it took more and more cups to get the same effect. So I weaned myself off of coffee. It took 1 week. I got headaches. I got headaches when I came off of coffee. But I started drinking this, guys, and I just look forward every morning to drinking this drink. Like, I look forward, it makes me happy. I'm trying to convert my girlfriend over to drinking it. She still hasn't, she loves her coffee. She's a coffee drinker. And I still drink my coffee, guys. And best believe, when you drink your coffee, after drinking this, bro, I drink coffee like twice a week, but after your body is cleaned out, your arteries, there's blood flow, you have no inflammation, once you go and drink that coffee, dude, that coffee is like 15 times, it makes you feel 15 times better than when it did when you're drinking it all the time. So, guys, that's all I got for you.